Hey everyone, you're watching a sample that's coming from our Home Health Marketing Bootcamp. That's right, over 7 hours of amazing content that's going to be able to help you guys learn what steps you need to take in order to become that preferred provider. So just want to let you guys know, please make sure you stop by 10xpatientreferrals.com and sign up for this bootcamp. It is only available for a limited time at this moment.
Like, you know what, we want to target all the doctors, or we want all the nursing homes. That's their answer. And so my first golden nugget here in this whole training really is this, is that you cannot just have and say, I want all the nursing homes in this area, or I want all the physicians. You want to start becoming more specific, right? Become more specific on who you want to target. What type of doctors? Is it male doctors? Is it female doctors? Are you trying to target a certain county? Or are you targeting a certain city at this very moment? You know, there's a lot of doctors in your area, and you're trying to target all 1,000 of these physicians, then you're not going to, really get an opportunity to create value and provide, trust in the relationship and create those relationships, right? So, in addition to this training is that we're going to show you guys how to prospect correctly, how to really figure out who are the prime targets, how to figure out what are your competitions doing that makes them different and make them stand out. And then I'm going to show you guys some amazing strategies that marketers do. And at the same time, as some of the mistakes that, I've done or other marketers have done, that if you know these mistakes, you're not going to really go ahead and experience them, because you already know that if I face this, this is the solution on how to handle certain things. Like I said, we're going to go give you guys step-by-step strategies and then pinpoint how to increase your census. Because I'm sure the reason why you're watching this video series is because you know what? You want to increase your referral sources. You want to increase your census. Ultimately, you want to increase the bottom line, which is your profits of your company, to keep the doors open. If you guys want success in your company, you must have the process and understand that when you guys do and learn the process we're sharing you guys, the step-by-step items, you don't want to skip a certain things, because when you start skipping, that's when you start failing. And when you start skipping, that's when you cannot analyze really where you made a mistake. Because more likely, the reason why you did not become successful when you tried to market at somebody is because you skipped a step and you don't even know what you missed, okay? So what we will do is go through everything in detail, every step, and prepare you how to handle each problem, each problem all the way, pretty much every which way that you can. So first of all, welcome, and thank you so much for being here. I look forward to you guys. Now, just to add a little things before we get started with the first step that you guys need to know is this. We are going to be also getting you guys access to more training, to our more in-depth training from the bootcamp that we're doing right now. So you will have access more to additional training material that we normally charge other people, and you're going to get that for free. And we're going to start telling you guys every step of the way what you're going to be getting. So pay close attention to how to be able to obtain these additional training, because it's going to be very, very helpful.
Brought to you by our partners at homecareansweringservice.com and medicationreminderprogram.com. So medicationreminder.com, what they do is they can actually call your patients twice a day to remind them to take their medications. This lessens the chance of them being readmitted to the hospital. At the very same time, it provides value. It lets you show your referral sources that you are different, that you want to provide more services for your patients. It works amazingly for home care, especially with home health agencies. So look into this. It's a great thing for you to add for your company. They have 3 different plans, but later on we're going to share with you guys a way to be able to save even more. The next one, homecareansweringservice.com. Listen, at nighttime when you get a call from a patient or maybe even potential referral source on the weekends, sometimes you're not able to answer the call right away. At the very same time as you can save money, instead of hiring somebody to do your call answering, you can have homecareansweringservice.com handle this for you guys. At a low basic plan of $39 a month, they will handle your calls, especially in the weekends, especially at nighttime. You may have a manager on duty who's in charge of that phone, but at the very same time at nighttime, they may not be able to answer the phones for you. So sometimes when a patient calls at night, a family member, if you miss that call, they may end up in the hospital, or you may lose that potential referral. Now, don't forget, we have our live marketing bootcamp events happening all over the United States, but we have now our online marketing bootcamp available, so make sure you take advantage of that. go to 10xpatientreferrals.com and check them out. So these are some of the cities that we're holding a lot of our events. We rescheduled them because of the whole COVID scare. Please make sure that you pay attention. The dates may change at this very moment, but please check with us. Now, here is how you can save some time. So at 10xpatientreferrals.com, we have an online learning platform, teaches you everything about marketing. Okay, so we have 3 different packages. As you guys can see, if you guys choose the gold plan or the platinum plan, you're going to be able to get some free service from home care answering service as well as medication reminder program. But if you just choose the silver plan, it's still great. You're still going to get 25% off the medication reminder program or 25% off on the answering service. So please, 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 please let us know how we can actually help you. This is Michael with Home Health Success Academy. Always understand, marketing is easy when you know what you're doing.